Pass from Wilkin Lee.
Boy, they've been waiting for that moment on that short roll from Jaeho Chu. And that time, Jaeho made sure he hammers it down.
Levy Mintes. Wilkin Lee. And that's probably gonna do it. Abra, again, looking good. Still at the top of the mountain here. Mendoza, Mintes got it back. Will fire from the outside. Mintes pa din. CJ will get it para dito sa Batangas City against Jorel Gonzalez. Ochea backing down Redel Fabro. Skip pass to CJ Isit for free. Lead down to 16 but only 74 seconds remaining.
The Rum Masters are not giving up here. They're staying the course.
They probably need to foul though. They try to gain more possessions. Wilkin Lee, Jaeho Chu again. Hard foul given up. And he gets it. Jaeho Chu.
Jaeho Chu really just being in, really that force underneath. This time around, that little pocket pass intended for Jaeho Chu on that short roll of that cross match with Levy Hernandez. And then again, the other end. You see him once again drawing that defender and Don Ochea trying to tag him from behind as Jaeho Chu once again brings that home.
Now, if you look at the remaining schedule for Batangas City, after this one, they still have 2 games left. They'll go up against Bulacan, certainly a winnable game. And then, on their last assignment, kalaban naman nila ang Mindoro Tamaraws. So with this impending loss, they'll fall down to 18-9. So the most wins that they could get is at 20.
Right.
Now, Zamboanga, also with a 17-9 record, the most wins na pwede rin for Zamboanga is 20.
Assuming they win those 3 remaining games.
So pag nag-end up na tabla silang dalawa, Zamboanga would have the higher seed by the win over the other role since Zamboanga beat Batangas in San Fernando.
That is right. You know, on Abra's situation, it sure looks like on this win, they would have already secured number 1. Well, they have San Juan left in one of their remaining games, with the other 3 games being, lower tier teams.
Well, they have a good shot of finishing at number 1. Pero madami bang pwede mangyari dyan. Dahil nga, banggit mo, maglalaban pa yung Abra. San Juan, Abra still has teams like Pasig, Davao, and Mindoro. Although, definitely heavily favored to win all those matches. Pero interesting talaga yung sa South kasi Rizal, who will play later, only has 8 losses.
Right.
They still have 5 more games, including this one against Parañaque. Although they still have to face off against Muntinlupa, Bacolod, and then 2 top teams in the north in Pangasinan and Nueva Ecija.
And that is, those couple of games would really be a test for the Rizal Central Mall Golden Coolers to try and get to number 2.
So yung race for that number 2 spot is gonna be very intriguing for those teams I've mentioned: Batangas, Zamboanga, and Rizal. 74-58, Abra, still the hottest team in the league right now. 22 straight wins. Boy, looking good despite probably the worst outing of Dave Ildefonso here in the MPBL, finishing with just 10 points. But man, they've shown that even with a rare off night from Dave Ildefonso, I mean, the other guys are a force to be reckoned with para dito sa Abra Solid North Weavers.
And really just showing you the depth